For your consideration is this absolutely mint dual 506 belt drive turntable. This table is fitted with a brand new lid, and as you can see in the light, it's absolutely perfect. The unit itself is flawless in condition. No marks, chips, or gouges to the base. Bright work is superb. This will come with original dual 45 adapter. And this has the desirable half-inch mount adapter. And it's fitted with a Pickering XV15 cartridge. But genuine Pickering D400 stylus. It also has a Dustmatic on it. Very cool. We have your auto on to the record. Pitch control does work, as you can see. And the speed is accurate, steady, and dead on, as shown in the strobe. Smooth cue to the record.
Keep on working. Don't care if they say we are a dying race. I'd rather be here than any other place. Keep on working. Keep on working. Keep on working. Keep on working. They can't ever touch just me and my girl, and it won't cost you much. And if your luck is in, you might have kids to play to make you laugh and sing when you're old and gray. Keep on working. Keep on working. Keep on working. Keep on working.
And at the end of the record, auto lift and off. Very nice, great sounding unit. Thanks for considering. Good luck bidding.